Morning, everybody. Early start today. 5 a.m. We're gonna knock this one out and try to beat the heat. We got a reckless notch with some bridge bars. We're gonna do the monster notch. And the bolt-in notch customer has currently is causing his bed to bow. So we're gonna fix that. Y'all bring me anything you got. You want me to fix it? Bring it. You want me to notch it? Bring it. Let's get the show on the road. Notches are set on temporarily so I can mark the frame. Next, I'll straighten the frame out and get it how I want it. Clean up the notches and get everything welded. All right, got the notch welded on. Next, we'll cut out the centers. Then we'll add the plates. Some early morning weld action. All right, like I said, we'll cut those out and continue on. All right, notch is fully welded. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We in the zone today. We feeling that today. Look at that. Just look at that. We feeling it today. Let's go. Guys, hit me up. You need your notches welded in. Frame, any of it. I'll get you taken care of. Stack, stack, stack. All right. Next, I'll prep out the inside so I can weld the bare metal. And I'll trim down the bridge bars. They'll get tacked in and welded. I'll go ahead and set the camera up and get the chop saw out to cut those. So we'll get back to it and get this thing out of here early. It's only 8:41. Customer showed up at 5. He drove, I think, 2.5 hours to get here. So he had to hang around to get it done because there's no point in driving 2.5 hours and turn around, drive 2.5 hours, come back and get it later. So. Alright, notch is all done. Painted. Wiring's all together. Brake line remounted. Next, time to go to bed. All right, another one done. Nice and clean. Done right. Bed gap's fixed. Perfectly even. Look at that. Nice and clean. Bring them to me. I'll fix them. Got this one done as quick as I could so they can head home. They came from a few hour drive and been hanging out patiently, which it's hot out here.